Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. Today we are going to see how to make Holi special Aloo Tikki Chaat. Celebrate this Holi with a delicious and crispy Aloo Tikki Chaat. This mouth-watering street food recipe is perfect for your festival snacks. In this video, we show you how to make crispy Aloo Tikki, top it with favorable chutneys and turn into a spicy, tangy and lip-smacking chaat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making Aloo Tikki Chaat: potato, salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, pepper powder, turmeric powder, chaat masala, cumin powder, coriander leaves, breadcrumbs, ginger garlic paste, ink, oil, curd, tamarind chutney, pomegranate, mint chutney, chopped onion, save, chopped coriander leaves. Boil 6 numbers of potato and peel off the skin. Take a bowl and grate the potatoes and mix it well. Add salt as per your taste and add 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and add half teaspoon of chaat masala. Add half teaspoon of cumin powder and add finely chopped coriander leaves. Add half cup of breadcrumbs and mix it well. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and add 1/4 teaspoon of ink and mix it well. Add oil as per your need and mix it well to form the tikki. Take a pan and add butter and add oil as per your need and heat it. Shallow fry the tikki in hot oil by keeping the flame on low. Continue cooking till it turns golden brown color and flip over and cook on other side till both the side reaches golden brown color. Once it reach, you can off the stove. To a serving plate, take 2 numbers of aloo tikki and add 2 tablespoons of curd. Then add 2 teaspoon of tamarind chutney and add salt as per your taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add pomegranate as per your need and add 1 teaspoon of mint chutney. Add chopped onion, save and chopped coriander leaves for garnishing purpose. Aloo Tikki Chaat is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.